This brick home presents an extraordinary opportunity for buyers seeking a property that they can transform into their dream haven. With its fantastic location in Warners Bay, lake views, spacious rooms and a large 4-car garage with a workshop, this property is just waiting for its new owners to bring their vision to life. I'm Courtney Matheson from Stone Real Estate. Welcome to 5 Chelston Street in Warners Bay.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
For more information on this property, contact me today at Stone Real Estate.